I welcome you all my dear students. Today we are going to study about chapter number 1, squares and square roots. Exercise 1.4. Now we need to find out the square root of the given number. How can we find it out? Suppose I am telling you about long division method. First of all, we need to make a box and then we need to write down the numbers which is given over here. And then make a rough work over here. Now what next step, you need to do the pairing of two numbers from the right side. 84 is in the pair, now 7 is alone. Now you need to search for that number in which you can get nearby of 7. The same number, आपको same number देखना होगा, like 2 2s are 4 या 3 3s are 9. तो 3 3s are 9 तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, so it means we need to go for 2 2s are 4. तो जिस नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इन्हीं दोनों को आपस में आपको प्लस भी करना पड़ेगा. 2 + 2 = 4 और एक डिजिट यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा. हमेशा याद रखिएगा हर एक स्टेप्स के बाद 1 डिजिट बढ़ता जाता है नीचे. तो यहाँ एक डिजिट खाली छोड़ देना है आपको. 7 - 4 होता है 3, बचा 84 आपको एज इट इज़ नीचे लिखना है. नाउ 4 के साथ ऐसा क्या नंबर है जो 384 आपको ला के दे सकता है? अब 4 के साथ 2 2s अगर जाते हैं तो 2 2s लास्ट डिजिट में 4 आता है, बट 84 तो बहुत छोटा होता है. सो नाउ यू कैन गो एड विथ 48 × 8, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट होता है 8 8 = 64. तो 8 8 = 64 हो गया, कैरी फॉरवर्ड 6, 8 4 = 32, 32 + 6 is 38. तो इससे पता चलता है 48 × 8 is 384, and now we are getting the remainder 0. Hence we can say that the square root value of 784 is 28. Now similarly question number 2 is 841. Now what you can do, you can put it in the box 841. Now again we'll do the pairing. 41 is in the pairing, 8 is alone. Now again you can make a rough work. Again we'll go ahead with 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9 बड़ा हो जाता है. So we'll go ahead with 2 2s are 4 and 8 - 4 is 4. अब आपको पता है उसी डिजिट से आपको प्लस करके 2 + 2 4 करके एक डिजिट एक्स्ट्रा छोड़ना है. ये 41 जो है पेयरिंग में नीचे जाएगा, 441. लास्ट में 1 जो आता है 9 9s are 81. देखते हैं 9 9s वी आर गेटिंग 81, कैरी फॉरवर्ड 8, 9 4 = 36, 36 + 8 is 44. तो इस तरीके से एग्जैक्ट हमें पता चल जाता है कि 49 × 9 is 441. द रिमाइंडर इज 0. दैट मीन्स द स्क्वायर रूट वैल्यू ऑफ 841 is 29. Now next question is 961. Again we'll put it in the box, that is 961, and then we'll take the pair. 61 will be in pair and 9 will be alone. Now again we'll make a rough work. Now again you know that 3 3s are 9 directly ले सकते हैं हम. So we'll go ahead with this. 3 3s are 9 and 9 - 9 is 0. 61 will come down and the same digit you need to add up. 3 + 3 is 6. One digit will be vacant for solving this, and that is 61 ones are 61. Remainder is 0. So we'll write down square root value of 961 is 31. Now question number 4 is 2916. Again we'll keep it inside the box, that is 2916. We'll take the pair 16 as one pair, 29 as one pair. Then we'll take the rough work, that is 2 2s are 4. It is much small. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. We can go ahead with this because 6 6 are 36 and it is much higher than 29. So we'll go ahead with 5 5s are 25. And now here also 5 + 5 will become 10. One digit will be vacant. 9 - 5 is 4. 16 will come down. 416. We can go ahead with this process, that 104, because we know that 4 4s are 16, so 6 will come in the ones digit, and finally we'll get 416. So in this way we can say that 104 × 4 is 416. The remainder is 0 and the square root value of 2916 is 54. Next question is 5329. Again we'll keep it inside the box. 5329, will take the pairing 29 and 53. 7 7s are 49. Again we'll make a rough work and we will go ahead. 7 7s are 49, 8 8 = 64. So 64 is much higher than 53, so we'll go ahead with 7 7s are 49 and then we'll subtract it. Here it will become 7 + 7 is 14. One digit will be vacant. This will become 13 and 5 will become 4. 13 - 9 is 4. 29 will go downside, it will become 429. Now we can go ahead. 3 3s are 9, we know that, so 143 × 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, carry forward 1, so that will be 429. So we can go ahead with this. 143 × 3 is 429. So that means square root value of 5329 is 73. Now next question is 9604. Again we'll keep it inside the box. We are having 9604. 04 will be one pairing, 96 will become another pairing. Now you know that in the rougher we can go ahead with 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100. We cannot go ahead with that, so we'll go with 9 9s are 81. And here also 9 plus 9 will become 18, one digit will become vacant for solving the next step. 6 minus 1 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 04 will go down and it will become 04. Now we know that 182 into 2 will not be sufficient for this. Another we will be having 8s are 188 into 8, because 8 8s are 64 and we can get 4 in the ones digit. So 8 8s are 64, again 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 6 is 70, 8 ones are 8 plus 7 is 15, so we are getting the exact value. So 188 into 8 is 1504, remainder is 0, so the square root value of 9604 is 98. Next question is 21,609. Again we'll keep it inside the box, that is 21,609. So 09 will be one pairing, 16 will be one pairing, 2 will be alone. And again we will go towards the rough part, that is 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 will be much higher than 2, so we'll go ahead with 1 1s are 1 and 1 plus 1 will become 2 and one digit will be vacant for solving the next part. 2 minus 1 is 1, 16 will go downside. Now we'll see 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4, so we can go ahead with 24 into 4. Let's see, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 96. Let's go ahead with the next step. 25 into 5, how much we are getting? 25 5s are 125, we all know, and 125 is much higher, so we'll go ahead with the procedure of 24 into 4. We are having 96. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now again here 1 will become 11 and 1 will become 0. So here 6 minus 6 is 0 and 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. 09 will come down and it will become 2009. Now we can go ahead with 283 into 3 will be much smaller, so we can go ahead with the next step, that is 287 into 7, because 7 7s is 49 and 9 will come in the ones digit. 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4 is 60. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, so exact what we are getting, 287 into 7 is 2009, the remainder is 0. So the square root value of 21,609 is 147. Next question is 37,249. Again we will keep it inside the box, that is 37,249. Again we will take the pairing from the right side, 2 2, 49 one pairing, 72 one pairing, and 3 will be alone. Again we can go ahead with the rough work, that is 2 2s are 4 is much higher than 3, so we'll go ahead with 1 1s are 1, so we'll go ahead with 1 1s are 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2, 72 will go down, and here you know the same number will add and one digit will be vacant for 9 9s are 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, so 261 we can take. 29 into 9 is 261. Now we can go ahead with this procedure. 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 49 will come down, and here the same number will add. 9 plus 9 is 18, 2 plus 1 is 3, one digit will be vacant. Now we know that 3 3s are 9, so we can go ahead with 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11. Exact we are getting 383 into 3 is 1149, remainder is 0, so we will write down square root of 37,249 is 193. Next question is 95,481. Again we will keep inside the box, that is 95,481. 81 is one pairing, 54 is one pairing, 9. Now again you know that in the rough work we will go ahead with this, that 3 3s are 9, so we'll go ahead with this procedure. 3 3s are 9, and here also 3 plus 3 is 6, one digit will be vacant, 54 will come down. You know that 6 taking with any one more number will be higher than 54, so we'll go ahead with 60 zeros are 0 0, and then we can go ahead with the next procedure. 60 plus 0 is 60 with one digit vacant for solving the next step, and 81 will come down. Now again last digit we are having 1, and you know that 9 9s are 81, so we can go ahead with that. 9 9s are 81, 9 zeros are 0, 8 we are having the carry, Now 6 9s are 54, so exactly we are getting 609 into 9 is 5481, remainder is 0, so therefore the square root of 95,481 is 309. Next question is 1,08,241. So again we will keep it inside the box, that is 1,08,241. Now 41 will be unpairing, 82 will be unpairing, 10 will be unpairing. Again we will go ahead with the rough part, and we know that 3 3s are 9. We can go ahead with this, so we'll write down 3 3s are 9. Now 10 minus 9 is 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, one digit will be vacant, 82 will come down. Now we know that 63 into 3 will be 189, that will be higher, so we have to go for 62 into 2, and 62 into 2 is 124, so we'll go ahead with this, that 62 into 2 is 124. Now we'll be solving this, 2 plus 2, that will become 64, one digit will be vacant for this. Now 2 will become 12, 8 will become 7, 12 minus 4 is 8, and 7 minus 2 is 5, 41 will come down now. Now again you know that last we are having 1, and 9 9s are 81, so we can go ahead with 649 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36, carry forward 8, that is 36 plus 8 is 44, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 4 is 58. So finally we are getting 649 into 9, 5841, remainder 0, so the square root value of 1,08,241 is 329. Now question number 11 is 4,51,584. So the same we will go ahead with that, 4,51,584. Again we will take the pairing of 2 and 2. Now again we will go ahead with the rough work. 8 8 is 64 is much higher than 7 7 is 49. 49 is also greater, so we will go ahead with 6 6 are 36. Now we are having 6 6 are 36. Now the same 6 will add up with each other, 6 plus 6 is 12, one digit will be vacant for the next step, this will become 15 and this will become 3, 15 minus 6 is 9, 15 will come down, and 120. Now 127 into 7, we will go ahead with this, 127 into 7 is 889. The next 128 into 8 is higher than 915, so we will go ahead with 127 into 7, 889, subtraction plus 7, that will become 134 with one digit vacant. Now again this will become 15, this will become 0, again it will take carry forward 1, and 9 will become 8. 15 minus 9 is 6, 10 minus 8 is 2, and 84 will come down. So we are having 2684. Now again 4 we are having, so let us go ahead with 2 into 2. So we are having 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So 1342 into 2, 2684, remainder is 0, so the square root value of 4,51,584 is 672. Similarly you can do question number 12.